In this video, I'll show you how to install the VESA mount for the AOC U2879VF 4K monitor. Start by removing the two screws by the inputs, one by the DVI port and one by the power jack. Next, remove the base plate of the factory stand. Use a thin guitar pick, credit card, or other piece of plastic to split the case near the ports. A thicker guitar pick or piece of plastic can also be used to split the case afterwards. Split the case all the way to each bottom corner. At each bottom corner, pull up to unsnap the tabs on the sides. The back of the case should lift off easily now. Store the monitor in a safe place, because we only need to work on the back panel. Tip the stock stand arm all the way back to expose the two screws at the top. Unscrew these two screws and pull the stock mounting arm out. Insert the VESA mount adapter and replace the two screws. The back panel is now ready to mount. Replace the back panel on the monitor by putting it back where it goes and pushing down all the way around the edges. Replace the two screws. You're all ready to go.